Good afternoon. How are you? All are ready? So in our last class, we have just started about cartography. So have you read in our early class? So cartography is a branch which discuss about the drawings, preparing maps of a part of the earth surface and whole earth. Probably you know that we are known about the whole earth. When earth is coming from us, we have a map. When any country, name of any country comes in our mind, then we have an image. Who prepared? How prepared? This is the results of cartography. Looks about the earth. So cartography deals with the preparing, designing and producing maps of the whole earth surface or maybe a part of it. It's the basic of art and science of preparing maps. And you know that in geography, maps are the essential tools for geography. And by maps, it represents the whole earth surface. Today we are uttering about or different names of different countries, locations, rivers, hills, mountains. We cannot see it through a naked eye, but through map we can see about the whole Caspian lake, great Himalayan mountain ranges, the continents of Asia, Europe and Africa, like that. This is visible in your slides. So the questions, wherever location is concerned, there may be a place, Gwalpara, Delhi, Calcutta, Singapore, Beijing. What direction from this place? Direction. Then where? How large it is? How bigger it is? How far it is? And what is the shape of that place, of that area, of a district, of a state and of a country? This visual structure, visual appearance of the real earth transformed to a pen surface with the help of cartography. So cartography is nothing but an art and science of dealing or preparing maps. Look on this map. These are the only lines. These are only lines. The shape of that lines resembles with the actual shape of this is the American continent, African continent and Asian continent. How we draw? With the help of lines. So whenever a geographers or other branches of science try to draw a map of the world, that gives by the cartography. So it is a very important subject, very important branch. We definitely deals with different countries in different structure, in different modalities. In different subjects also, they were using maps. You have atlases, no? Look on the atlases. There are different types of maps are there, and these are the product of cartography. Today where we are, the question give you, if where you are, you will speak about a position, and that position can be plotted on a flat sheet of paper. So whenever we move from one place to another place, throughout the whole surface, it cannot be possible to see the naked eye. From Guwahati to Gwalpara, Gwalpara to Bongaigaon, is it? From Bongaigaon to Delhi or Kolkata, we cannot see the whole area through a naked eye. But we can see, observing or reading a map of Gwalpara district, map of Assam or map of India. How it's possible? Because cartography. So cartography is a science, is an art which deals with transforming the real earth surface on a flat sheet of paper. Art is a much bigger, and now art is in our one page. This is the product of cartography. Are you clear? So by definition, cartography is considered to be the science and art of drawing, designing, constructing and producing maps, charts, plans and atlases. It is also treated as a science of human communication. Cartography is the making of study of maps in all their aspects. Maps are the visual representation of image The graphic representation of spatial relationship and spatial form is called a map. So maps are the essential tools, and maps are the product of cartography. Even beyond map, cartography also produces graphs, charts, and so and so. And you see, in our day-to-day life, in our academic life, in our political life, much more informations are preparing through graphs, charts, maps, and so and so. The subject which discuss about the preparation, designing, developing maps, charts, atlases, the cartograms, this is the branch is called cartography. Today we have numbers of maps, physical maps, political maps, is it? Map of a country, map of a state, map of a district, map of a block. This is the results of cartographers. So it is possible by the cartography, by we design the whole whatever about the earth surface, totally we transform to a flat sheet of paper only with the help of point and line. You see, these are the points and lines. In earlier map, these are the points and lines. If we place New York, Washington DC, whatever may be, we are placed. In India, Delhi is a point. Map of the India is a line. So arrangement of line depicts something. So map is the representation of the surface of the earth, or whole part or a whole earth or a part of it on a plane surface drawing to scale. One is the basic properties is that all maps are prepared or drawn with the help of scale. It is manually and mechanically drawn symbolic picture of the earth showing locations, distribution, phenomena, features and other elements of the earth surface. So maps are the basic product of cartography, and maps how it prepared? It is prepared with the help of scale. Walpur district, you imagine, larger one, but it can be drawn on a flat sheet of paper with maintaining the scale, reducing the scale. So we reduce generally, we reduce the real earth features and draw it on a flat sheet of paper so that users may understand very easily that what is the shape of a particular political area, particular district or particular state. It gives us a brief idea of the area. Today if we want to draw a map, suppose we speak about Japan. If you not visit map of the Japan, you are unable to express about what is the shape of Japan. If you visit on atlas the Japan, then you will be able to draw the map of the Japan. That is the basic things. So cartography gives us the real track to represent the whole earth surface on a flat sheet of paper, which is very essential for not only geography but also any other branches of science and arts. So main goal of map is communicating spatial relationship and communicating form of the landscape. Communicating spatial relationship and communicating forms of landscape. So while drawing or preparing the cartographical elements like maps or charts, whatever may be, basic two things very important. One is location, where it is. Second is direction, in which direction. Suppose we are moving from A place to B place. So there is a particular location of A place and there is a particular location of B place. And there is also a particular direction from A to B while we are moving from A to B and while we are moving from B to C and like that. That accurately, with proportionately maintaining the scale, we can draw on a flat sheet of paper and we can show on a map. Are you clear? So these are the basic characteristics of map. Location, attribution, reduction of reality, we reduce it with the help of scale. Scale is the main properties. Geometrical shape, size, all are considered while we are drawing or preparing the maps. Transformation and projection, you know that projections are a basic element for preparing or drawing the maps. With the help of projection, the real art, with proper measurement, we can reduce it on a flat sheet of paper to draw different types of maps. Then abstractions of the reality, because reality is in front of you. But reality is reality. Suppose river Brahmaputra is a reality. When we draw the river Brahmaputra on a small map or in Assam, that is the abstraction of reality. Then symbolism and marks. What symbol we use? You know, symbols, colors are essential properties in cartography. Why? Because some features identically shown in a map with the help of some color, some line, some symbol, and so on. Some line definitely depicts these are the rivers. Some points definitely depict these are the hilly points or high altitude points. Some color, some shading definitely depicts you that these are the coastal lands, these are the hilly lands, these are the mountainous, like that. These are the deserts. So, all physical reality, ground reality, we draw on a flat sheet of paper with the help of point, line, and with the help of some colors, shadings, hazios, and so on. So, the science, the branch which discuss about detailed study of this technique for preparing, designing, developing of the map, along with different types of charts, graphs, atlases, and others, is called the cartography. Are you clear? So, today we are very well known about the shape or area of the map. If you look at a map, it is easily identified that this is the map of Assam, this is the map of Goalpara, this is the map of India, this is the map of America, this is the map of Ukraine, like that. Is it? This is possible only because of the cartography. Because cartography gives the results. It draws the maps of different parts of the earth surface as a whole or the whole earth surface on a flat sheet of paper so that human beings can easily use it for distribution, for showing the distribution, showing some themes, is it? For greater interest or for academic interest. Now you see, maps are classified into different types. Based on scale, there are small scale map, medium scale map, and large scale map. By function, we have general, reference map, and thematic. By subject matter, we have cadastral map, plants, soil, vegetation, and precipitation map. Just I give you a look on based on scale. You see, small scale, medium scale, and large scale map. Small scale, where in a map, where larger area we can draw in a map. Large scale, when we clearly we can show smaller area in a larger extent.